How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Ayan Sikhar. And what is your name?
My name is Arohi Singh. So, in which class do you read?
I read in class 8 and you?
I read in class 11th. And
After some times you will get job from after class 12th. Then what will you choose? Government job or private job?
I think that after that time, I will see that what type of job I will have to select. Just because each job have their own priorities and own culture and own each and everything.
So we can talk today on the topic is private job
Oh yeah, of
better than
course.
government
This
job?
is the time when each and every people want to get government job, and there is a full craze of government job. So I think that today we will have to talk about a topic: is government job is better than private job? Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to choose that. Yes, government job is better than private job. So what you will choose?
I will choose that private job is better than government job.
Okay. So I think that private government job is actually too much better than private job, just because in this time each and every people is preparing for some people are preparing for JEE, some people are preparing for NEET, some people are preparing for UPSC, and I want to tell you that people are spending a lot of time of their maximum. Some people get 20, 21, 22, and they are just preparing for these exams to get a perfect life, to get a good job, to secure their life. What do you want
But
to think?
in the government job, the government not check their skills and not check their qualities. But in the private job, you should have the skills and you should have the qualities to get the job. And many people can't get the job, but the people who are getting the job, they are highly qualified and they are a very smart person who get the job, and they have the quality to make their company or their anything to be succeed. And but in the government job, the people are not highly qualified, not highly
Okay, do you want to tell that people who take government job, they are not highly qualified? I think that you are telling 100% wrong. Just because I want to tell you that for taking a government job, people have to study a lot. They are spending a lot of time of their childhood, of their young life. They are not enjoying anything. They are just closed in only in one room, and they are just reading. And after cracking that exam should be anything like NEET, UPSC, BPSC, each and everything. And I want to tell you that these teachers are actually highly qualified, but private teachers are they are not qualified any type of exams. Some teachers are actually qualified some exams, but most of the private teachers have not doing any type of career opportunity. They are not preparing for anything, and they will not have to give any exam to select that. So I want
No,
to
you are wrong, because in the government schools the teachers are not so good, but in the private school the teachers are highly qualified. And in the government school the teachers are not teaching the students properly, and in the private school the teachers are teaching the students very properly and nicely way. They have their own way to teach the students. And but in the government teachers, they are not highly qualified, or they are not so highly educated to teach the students. But in
Okay. So I think that you have not read a lot about it, but I want to tell you that only there are very few people who are doing a private job and they are getting best salary. And I want to tell you that in my school, I want to tell you a story of my school. In my school there are a lot of good teachers and they teach a lot of things, and actually they are so good. But when they are cracking BPSC exam and they are selected for government schools, then they leave the school of private, then they leave private school and they go into the government school just because of salary, just because of good salary. And I want to tell you that in government school teachers are actually highly qualified, they teach a lot. And most of the I want to tell you that in India, most of the schools which are like in Bombay, in Gujarat, there are a lot of schools where students are read in government school and they are doing best. But in some cases like Bihar, in Bihar also some government school is actually so good, but in only in few cases where schools are not so good, teachers are good, but some students don't want to read. So I think
But-
that teachers
but I
are
want to-
actually highly qualified.
Okay, but I want to ask a question that the teachers who are teaching in your school, are they not better than the government school teachers?
I think that this is not a comparison just because each and every teachers are good. And I want to tell you one thing more, that you have actually listened some news that teachers are just sitting and they are just giving order to the students to give me water and so on. But in this time, because that was the time when some teachers are have not given the exam, and without giving exam they became teacher. But this is the time where people have to do so much struggle, so much hard work to get a simple government job. And we cannot say it simple just because yeah, please.
But in the government jobs, the seats are very limited, and but in the private job, there are many seats for the person who want job, and they can give interview, and if they have they are highly educated, then they can get the job easily in private jobs. But in the government jobs, the people have to do very much hard work, then they get a job. But in the private jobs, the people's are also doing very much hard work. They are preparing for JEE, and they get placement in the private companies, and they are doing very good in that. And they get the salary more than the government job
Okay. Then you are telling that people get easily job in private school. But I want to tell you that yeah, it takes a lot of time to get a government job. But I want to tell you that in government job life becomes secure. Like you can take any example of teachers, doctors who are doing work in government jobs. So these are the people who knows that they will retire at the age of 60 years. But in private job, if you are not teaching well, then you will fire, and and you will have to do teaching career in next school.
So that this is the reason that in the private schools the teachers are teaching in a very good way, but in the government schools the teachers are not very good, and they have not any fear to be restricted from the school. But in the government in the private schools, the teachers have fear, so that they teach the students in a good way.
No, if you are telling this, then you are wrong. Just because I want to tell you that this time people have to do so much struggle to get a government job, just because there is a full craze of getting a government job. Just because each and every people want a secure life, they don't want that they will have to go in this school, go in that job, and they actually no one want this, and just because of it people are selecting to get a government job. And this time we cannot say that government teachers are not so good, just because this is the time where they will have to qualify a very good exam, very tough exam, and then they selected for government teacher, government you can say that DM, IS officer. These are the people who get selected after giving exam, and these exams are not so easy. UPSC is the so much hardest exam of the India, and they will have to crack it, and then they get a good job, and then they secure their life. And do you know that people are giving a lot of times? I have seen that some people are giving 7th attempt, 8th attempt, and most of the people even not selected, and some people get selected. And of course there is actually so much competition to get a government job, but there is no any competition to get a private job.
No, how can you say that to get a job in the private sector there is no competition? There are very much competition. You have listened the exam of JEE. In the JEE, the peoples are giving exams, and the peoples who are doing great, they get a good IIT, and after reading from that IIT or NIT, they go to they have get the placement, and they go to big companies such as Google, Puma, Adidas.
But do you know that in that case their salary is actually so good, but they have also no security that they will get a permanent job, and if they will do well, then
No.
they will keep it and they will fire it.
No, the persons who are doing good in the private sectors, such as if they have placement in the Google and Microsoft, then any company will trying to take him in his company, and he has a good personality to get the job. But in the government jobs, the engineers are not getting good salary or anything. You can
Okay,
see-
I have also listened that there are most of the IITians who are reading in such a very best IIT college, but after that they did not get very good job. And there are actually some few students, like most of the if there is 100 students, then only 10, and the numbers can be less than 10, and they are just getting a job in these companies.
No, you are
and
wrong.
they are getting placement of 2 crore and 3 crore, but most of the students get only placement of 20 lakh, 30 lakh. Some people are getting 10 lakh, so this is not actually fair. And
but
and also I want to tell you that most of the students are trying to crack JEE. After that they are trying to crack UPSC, just because they can secure their whole life. What about it?
yes, you are right, but in the JEE or IIT, the students are doing a very good performance for getting the job. In that, the competition is very hard also. Then they get the placement of a good company, and in that the peoples are getting more salary than the government's engineers. Such as you have listened the name of the Sundar Pichai. He is the CEO of Google, and he is a very great personality who also read from the IIT, and many peoples are in India who are
Yeah, of course, you are telling a very good thing, but I want to tell you that there are actually such a very minimum number of people who are getting such a great job and who are doing such a great job, just because most of the in each year there are mostly 50,000 60,000 people who are get selected in IIT and IT. But I want to tell you that each and every people didn't get best job, so that's why they will have to prepare after it for government job like UPSC, like any other good jobs, just because otherwise they will get unemployed. So that's why I think that most of the cases government job is actually so good. And in government job the best thing is that it secure the life of the people, and they will not have to think about it that if I will fire then where will I do job. So that's why I think that each job have their own priorities and own things and own rules and regulations. So I think that both jobs is actually so good, and you can do any job, because I want to tell you that especially in village area most of the people want that their children read in private schools, just because in private school teachers are actually teach good, and in just in village area and so much less cases. So I think that both is actually so good. And also I also read in private school, so I cannot tell that private job is actually so bad. So I think that both job has is actually so good. You can do any job if you want. So I think that this is actually such a very good conversation between you and me, and I think that you will have to tell us that which job is better, is government job or is private job. So I hope you will like this video. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye.
Thank you.